Welcome back. Today let's solve the struggles on how to post on discussion on the new UoPeople campus on Brightspace. Stay with me as I show you how it's been done. Here you click on the course, after you select discussion forum from the drop-down. Now here's the discussion forum. It's quite different from the previous campus. Scroll down and click on Start a new thread. Easy, here we go. Here you write the topic title and here you write you post content. You can also upload additional documents to back up your points in the forum or skip if you don't have any documents to upload. Now you can click post to submit your discussion. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more. Happy studying, see you in the next one. Bye.